Shalom, and welcome to Biblical Hebrew 101, where we dive into the beauty and depth of Biblical Hebrew one word at a time. Today, we're exploring one of the shortest yet most powerful psalms in the Bible, Psalm 133. This little psalm is packed with poetry, imagery, and meaning. And when we'll break it down in Hebrew, word by word, you'll see how much richness is hidden in just a few lines. We'll begin by going over the text, sentence by sentence and word by word, and afterwards, we'll go over some explanations about the text. So, without further ado, let's begin. שיר המעלות לדוד. הנה מה טוב ומה נעים, shevet, akhim, גם yakhad. שיר, a song, שיר, המעלות of ascents, המעלות, לדוד of David, לדוד. הנה, behold, הנה, מה טוב, how good, מה טוב, ומה נעים, and how pleasant, ומה נעים, shevet, the dwelling of, shevet, akhim, brothers, akhim, גם yakhad, all together, גם yakhad. כשמן הטוב על הראש יורד, על הזקן זקן אהרון, שיורד על פי מידותיו. כשמן as the oil, כשמן הטוב the good, הטוב, על, upon, על, הראש, the head, הראש, יורד, running down, יורד, על, upon, על, הזקן, the beard, הזקן, זקן, אהרון, the beard of Aaron, זקן, אהרון, שיורד, that runs down, שיורד, על פי מידותיו, upon the color of his garments, על פי מידותיו. כטל חרמון שיורד על הררי ציון, כי שם ציווה אדוני את הברכה, חיים עד העולם. כטל חרמון, like the dew of Hermon, כטל חרמון, שיורד, that descends, שיורד, על, upon, על, הררי, the mountains of, הררי, Rei, Zion, 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 Ki, for, Ki, Sham, there, Sham, Tziva, commanded, Tziva, Adonai, the Lord, Adonai. The word that is actually written is Yehovah, but in Jewish tradition it is considered too sacred to be said out loud, so we say Adonai instead. Et habracha, the blessing, et ha-bra-cha, chaim, life, chaim, ad haolam, forever, ad ha-olam. This psalm is a song of ascents, traditionally sung by pilgrims on their way up to the temple in Jerusalem. It celebrates the beauty of unity among God's people. It begins with the famous line, Hineh, matov, Umah, naim, shevet, akhim, gam yakhad. Behold, how good and how pleasant it is when brothers dwell together in unity. It highlights not just family harmony, but the spiritual joy of Israel gathered as one. Unity is compared to two powerful images. The first is precious oil poured on Aaron's head, a symbol of anointing, holiness, and abundance. The oil running down his beard represents blessing overflowing from God's presence. The second is the dew of Hermon falling on Zion, life-giving moisture from the north, symbolizing refreshment and divine favor, spreading even to dry places. The psalm ends with a promise, Ki sham tziva Adonai et habracha chaim ad haolam. For there the Lord commanded the blessing, life forevermore. In other words, God's eternal blessing rests where His people live together in harmony. To sum it up, Psalm 133 is about the beauty, power, and blessing of unity among God's people. It shows that true community is not only pleasant, it is sacred, abundant, and life-giving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press like and subscribe so you won't miss the next Biblical Hebrew lesson. And if you would like to download the worksheet for today's video, go over to my Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Toda rabba, and I'll see you in the next video.